Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Today we are making a yummy salad that is not only healthy but also filling, making it perfect for either lunch or dinner. For this recipe we'll need some chicken, so I'm using chicken patties, and we'll also need some vegetables. So for the vegetables I'll be using cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, and for dressing I'll pour in some lemon juice, then a little bit of black pepper and some salt to taste. So to begin with, I'm going to pan fry the chicken patties until they're well done and brown on the outside, and then I'll set them aside and chop the veggies. Every time I'm making salads or any recipe that requires raw onions, I always soak them in salty water to reduce the the flavor, the strong flavor that raw onions tend to have. That's it for this video guys. I hope that you have enjoyed watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.